to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing you on a day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on Avax, because Avax is pumping like crazy to the upside today. So we're going to talk about that. We're also going to talk about what I see might happen for Bitcoin this week. We could possibly go to 76k. Let's look at the charts. Bitcoin trading at around 71.7k. Crazy, right? 1 year ago, everybody was depressed when Bitcoin was at the 20s, sub 20k area. Now everybody's going like crazy. Open interest is going like crazy. We're going to talk about that as well in the liquidation map. But yeah, we're in a bull run basically. All the signs are here, and yeah, great for all of you who bought the crazy dip and basically waited out this chaos. Congratulations. But trading wise, yeah, we have a big candle, could be a volume candle by the end of the day. We recovered most of the candles in this area. We have this huge wick on the daily, on the 4 hour. We'll have some volume candles to recover there, so you could trade into this wick as well. This area, I would say 60k, fair price. You could go there in a retrace to downside, would be healthy. 60 62k, grab some open orders in that area, bam, shift to the upside. Could happen possibly during tomorrow. And yeah, we have a big volume candle here as well, from 58 to 52k. We have the 200 EMA in that area as well. But that could possibly be a longer retrace going into the end of the month, basically, to grab these open orders and then shift out from there. Since we're in a bull run, we're projecting high prices, right? So I put this volume candle area for one scenario. We could also tap into the 13 EMA, which sits at around 65k on the daily time frame currently. So 67k could be a target for a retrace, or 65k. Then tomorrow we might shift to the upside again, or on Wednesday go to 74k, have a consolidation phase, and end the week at around 76k, where we have the liquidations going like crazy. And basically we've been going and liquidating a lot of shorts in recent time. While it's loading, let's look at news events for this week. Today's a slow day, free trading day, so they're gonna set up for tomorrow when the CPI numbers are coming out, the inflation rate. We're currently looking at a projection at 0.4% on the monthly, on the yearly 3.1%. Anything higher than that is not good. That means that Jerome Powell is not gonna pivot and reduce the interest rates. Anything lower than 3.1% leads us into the 2% area, which is the target of the Fed for reducing interest rates. So kind of a heavy news day tomorrow. So we're gonna see where we are in terms of inflation. The rest of the week we have the core PPI numbers. So very news heavy week this week. And while it loaded, yeah, you can see here on the liquidation map, the market maker grabbed a lot of shorts, shorting the all-time high, thinking that it's gonna reverse. We're in a bull run, sorry. So I do think we're gonna grab all these liquidation points up to 76k, where we have a lot of long-term short liquidations. So like 2x 3x traders shorting with 2x leverage, they're up in the 76k area. You can't see it right here, but if you zoom it out and have other liquidation maps, you can see that. And to the downside then, not a lot of money for the market maker to grab, as you can see, all the way down to 70k. The nearest big pool of liquidity to the downside is at 66k, 76 million. So more money is to be grabbed to the upside, which is kind of bullish in my opinion. With that being said, let's take a look at AVAX. So AVAX is up currently 15% on this daily candle, which is pretty great in my opinion for a day. And yeah, as you can see, for AVAX, we're currently forming somewhat of a double top formation. I talked about this in my latest day trading update. If we reject the $50 area, we're going to the downside, possibly sub $20, where we might shift out of that zone and move to the upside again. So it would be healthy because we have a lot of volume candles to the downside. The closest one is here at the local low in the double top formation, which is at $27. So from $27 to $23 is where we have the closest volume count to the downside on the daily, and after that we could grab this one as well at $17, where we might consolidate and shift out of there. To the upside, if we continue, I do think we could go first and foremost to this volume candle right here, $51, break that. The next one is all the way up to $66. I talked about this when we were in this consolidation phase, that we could go all the way up to $66. You can find that AVAX trading video. When we were at $20, I told you we could go to $66. I remember if someone commented that basically it's unrealistic to project $66 in the coming months, but yeah, here we are right now going for that $66 zone. If we break that, we don't have any volume count to be grabbed to the upside. Then the all-time high is the next target. So trade safely, have a good one, Big Boss out.